Hi guys, today we are making chocolate cream filled biscuits, two cream flavors in biscuits, similar to those which we get in the market. Very delicious and tempting recipe. Everyone gonna love this one. So don't waste the time. Let's begin. Let's start with this recipe. Here we taken 1 bowl of powdered sugar. Then add Amul butter. This is soft and room temperature butter. Now we need to beat this for a few minutes till it becomes very light and fluffy texture. Beat them properly. 2 teaspoons of custard powder and half bowl of milk. Mix well properly. Should be no lumps there. So we're going to add dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Make sure that you do not apply a lot of pressure to make this dough. It should be light and gentle. And add custard milk as you required. So the dough shouldn't be very soft and shouldn't be hard. Then knead the dough properly. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Knead them properly. Cover with butter paper. Dough looks good. Now I let it rest in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. This has been chilling about 15 minutes. Then remove the butter paper. Take a dough and flatten the dough and roll out with the help of rolling pin. So cut into the knife rectangular shape pieces. Like I am using the fork to make a holes. Place into the baking tray. Sprinkle some sugar on top and press lightly. Our biscuits are ready to bake. Preheat and bake for 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. So these are completely done out of the oven and I am going to let it be cool down. Prepare the frosting. Mix icing sugar in butter bowl. Mix them proper. Look like this. Divide into 2 parts. First part is as it is and second part is mixed cocoa powder. Our 2 cream filling is ready. Now take 1 biscuit and place little bit of the white cream. Now place it other biscuit on top of it and press it gently. And then repeat the same chocolate one also. Then repeat this for all the biscuits. So our homemade cream biscuits are ready to serve. तो गाइस इस 2 क्रीमी बिस्किट्स की रेसिपी को शेयर करो एंड अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो. If you enjoying this video, like, subscribe and share our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Must try this.